Are you tired of sending generic outreach emails and struggling to find the right company and contacts? Imagine if you could instantly build targeted company lists and cover the key personas each business cares about, and send hyper-personalized emails from a few clicks. That is exactly what the Persona Insight outreach template for Clay.com is designed to do. So let me show you how it works. Step 1. We find companies. This is where we'll collect and organize all the potential target companies. We can use Clay to search with different parameters that will pull through a list for you automatically. The template then uses smart API integrations to automatically pull in extra details like the company name, industry size, and location. Plus, it enriches each profile with extra insights from LinkedIn, so you always have the most up-to-date and relevant information, all at your fingertips. In step 2, which is under People Search, we can then import the fresh list of contacts for each company based on the chosen criteria. This means that you're only reaching out to the people who matter most for your recruitment goals. Step 3. Here is where the magic happens. Using AI, the template automatically identifies and summarizes 2 key personas that each company targets. For example, it might highlight an engineering or manufacturing firm that is focused on attracting specific engineers or production staff. This gives you a valuable context for your messaging without any manual research. And this part is where the magic really happens, is step 4. Now that we're ready to engage, this template allows you to craft hyper-personalized emails to suit every contact, referencing not just the company's profile, but also the specific personas that they care about. This level of personalization helps your outreach stand out, boosts your response rates, and builds stronger relationships from the very first message. With the Persona Insight Outreach template, you can build and enrich company and contact lists in minutes, uncover and reference company-specific personas automatically, personalize every email for maximum relevance, and scale your outreach. And the beauty of it, there's no technical skills required. It's the perfect solution for recruiters and business development teams who want to save time, work smarter, and achieve real results.